Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mike, bringing another video. It's been a while, been years, but now we're back, and oh, surprise. Got a little buddy. He's gonna be joining the channel. His name's Gilbert. Hey, Gilbert, come here. What? Hey, come here. There he is. He's really excited to join the channel. Hi, Gilbert. Boop, boop, boop. So he's a princess parrot. He is pink on the neck. He has a blue button below his wings. And me and Gilbert are going to be bringing you videos all the time. Yeah, hi Gilbert. So he's excited. You may have seen him in the logo. He's the 8-bit logo here. And we're just going to be bringing you all sorts of videos. So say hi, Gilbert. All right, well, we're back. Hi, Gilbert. Welcome back. So we'll see you guys around.